Hi, I'm Brett, and today we've got a video update on the differences between modified and standard BRZ 86, BRZ 86, depending on what your year, make and model of your choosing. And what we're going to do here, I'm going to show you what the mechanical standard parts are, and this is a lightly modified BRZ above me, and then we'll go over and have a look at one of our clients' cars and show you what it looks like after these modifications have been done. So just take note, factory standard springs and rear shocks. They're a coilover shock, they're not a McPherson strut or a Chapman strut. This particular car's got a modified white line adjustable rear sway bar, still got all the original brakes on it, original factory standard exhaust, and then we'll go up the front. And this particular car also has the modified front sway bar with a roll center kit, which is the modified tie rod ends and ball joints. This one's had a bit of a hard life. They're starting to show a little bit of wear and tear on there now. And it's also got the heavy duty sway bar links for the white line sway bar connecting to the McPherson struts on the front, and it's still got the original brakes with the factory fitted ventilated rotors. So this particular car has also got one of White Line's very early crash bars, which stiffens the front suspension. It's been hit a few times where it's been bottomed out, and you can see this bolts up to the chassis and then bolts up to the front pickup. Now, one thing I'll point out, the difference between a BRZ and most Subaru WRXs is the control arm pivots in a completely different plane. So the part that controls caster on a BRZ is actually in the front, and as you'll notice, this particular part up here is the White Line modified caster pickup joint, which brings the arm in and pulls the front wheel further forward, which gives you more dynamic negative camber as you turn. So as you turn the steering wheel, you get more negative camber, which gives you more contact patch of the tyre on the road to allow for the deformation of the tyre under high cornering, which gives you more grip. So let's go across and have a look at the modified car with some other parts in it as well. And this particular car has still got the original factory front rubber bushes, and then notice it doesn't have the stiffening brace across the front. But what we have done now, and I get my cameraman to come around the back because the wheel's in the way, we've fitted a brand new White Line sway bar, which is adjustable with the heavy duty sway bar links, and this one's got a set of MCA reds in the front because this guy does occasional track days, and you can see quite easily here the sway bar and how it mounts across the top of the chassis with the lateral locks, which are these gold parts, stops the sway bar moving sideways. This part underneath here is the steering rack, which on a BRZ is electric, and of course standard exhaust because this particular car is lightly modified. And we'll come up the back, and this particular car's now got a very early set of White Line R&D rear low control arms. These are actually aluminium. They never went into production, but he's also fitted the heavy duty rear sway bar, and it's got the MCA Red Series rear shock absorbers as well. So there you have it. That's a really good way to understand what the differences are. You can picture in your mind, you can go back in the video and see what's standard and what's modified and do the comparisons. And of course, if you want any of these White Line parts, we are Australia's biggest outlet for performance parts like this from White Line, and they're a fantastic opportunity to improve the handling of your car. And they don't just do Mazda, Mitsubishi and Subaru, they do a whole range of other cars as well. And of course, you can go to our online website, find out a lot more information, or you can contact us through Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and Instagram. But remember, we also do a lot of custom tuning with our partners around Australia, where we do individual maps for individual cars where they're absolutely 100% uniquely adjusted to suit the car of your choice if you want to get it done locally. So contact us or contact one of our agents. But for now, I'm Brett Middleton. No matter where you are in the world, thanks for watching.